Hello, welcome. I am Hussain. This is tutorial for computer program. In this video, we are going to learn different parts of computer program or different parts of software application. If you are new to computer programs, I would suggest to visit our first video, what are computer programs, and then you proceed with second part of our video. So, what are different parts of a computer program or parts of software app? A software app or a computer program is divided into three separate layers. It has a front end, it has a business logic, and it has a back end. As you can see in the screen, there is a figure of a front end, which is a laptop, and the back end, which are the back end servers. So, what do you mean by front end layer of a program? As the name says, front end is the presentation of a software program. Front end needs to be very user friendly as it deals with the user experience. You can say a front end is a front desk of an office. It can be said a front end is the face of an app. A front end needs to be user friendly and the flow of the front end needs to be self-explanatory. Working in these layers are known as front-end developers. Business logic layer. As the name itself says, business logic. All the rules and processes of the business are laid down in this layer. Business logic layer is the middle layer, or you can say the second layer of a computer program or a software app. This layer determines the flow of the data step by step in different stages of a program. Business logic layer is a hidden layer of a software app. Let us understand this with an example of a e-commerce website. An e-commerce website allows different visitors to add products in a shopping cart. A shopping cart, when checked out, needs a shipping address and a payment information. So in this case, there are three stages. First, adding products to a shopping cart. Second, shipping address of a shopping cart, and getting payment information of the shopping cart. Three different steps, that is adding products to a shopping cart, shipping address, and payment information. They are the business rules and business processes. The front end handles the user experience and the business layer defines the processes and the rules of the business. Back end layer of a program, the third and the last part of a software app. This app takes care of a storage of data. When the user enters the data and when the business logic and business layer process the data, all this data is getting stored in the backend layer of a program. People who work in this area of a program are known as backend developers. Front-end and backend, they can be in a same single location or they can be divided into different locations. In the next video, we're going to learn different types of front-end programming languages and different types of back-end programs available. Thank you for listening.